back to my channel. It's Taisha, and on today's video I'm going to be trying out the new Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I am super excited to try this palette out, play with it, and see if it's actually worth our money or not. I bought this like a week ago and I finally received it in the mail, and I am just extremely excited to try this palette out. I absolutely love the packaging. It's such a beautiful summer palette and it literally screams summer. Like every time I look at it I'm like, this screams summer. And I love the name. It's called Lemonade palette. If you guys do not know, lemonade is like my favorite drink ever, especially strawberry lemonade. I absolutely love it. This eyeshadow palette comes with a mirror, 10 eyeshadow shades, and also the names on the bottom, which is a must for every palette. So I honestly am super excited to review this palette and see if it's actually good in the eyes and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested on this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. But without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and try this palette out. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and zoomed the camera in so you guys can see me a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using my MAC Pink Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. My hair is up, by the way, you guys already know. This room that I'm in, it's like 100 degrees. And if I don't put my hair up, I'm gonna die by heat stroke, and I really don't want that. So once we have that done, we're finally gonna be playing around with the Lemonade palette. I'm so excited to use this palette. You have no idea. Ever since I saw she was coming out with it, I was like, I need it. I love the colors, something different, something I never tried on my eyes, are like pastel colors. So I'm honestly so excited for this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and set my base with the shade Nude Tea, which is this one right here. Alright, so once I have that, I'm gonna use the shade Mingo or Mango, whatever way you guys like to say it, but it's this beautiful yellow shade right here. And I'm gonna use a Morphe E30 brush, and it looks really pigmented so far and not a lot of fallout. And I'm just gonna focus this on my crease. Wow, that is so pretty and so pigmented. I swear you guys, this palette just screams summer to me. I love it. And it's blending out amazing as well. Once we have that, I'm gonna get my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Sweet Tea, which is a beautiful like orange, burnt orange color, I guess you can say, and it's pretty pigmented in the brush as well. And I'm pretty much just packing this on my outer corners and on my crease. When I tell you guys these are pigmented eyeshadows. I honestly really like how everything's blending out. Okay, so once we have that in the eyes, there is fallout on the palette, but it's nothing too intense, and honestly they're really pigmented and they're blending amazing, so I really like it so far. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna cut the crease with some concealer. I'm gonna use my Tarte shade concealer in the shade Medium. I just put some in the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go in with a small brush and just cut the crease. Alright, so once we cut the crease, ever since I saw this palette, I've been wanting to use the shade Cucumber, which is a beautiful like mint color. Oh wow, you guys, this is so pretty. Yeah, so ever since I saw it, I've been wanting to use it because she did in her video use the shade Peach and stuff like that, so I want to do something different. So I'm gonna use the shade Cucumber all over my lid, and I'm using this with the MAC 242 brush. We're gonna go in with the brush not wet and see how this goes, and if anything we can always just wet the brush. Wow, you guys, this is such a pretty shade. I hope you guys can see it on camera. You don't really need to wet the brush, but I'm still gonna do it just to see how it is, because I honestly really like my shimmers with the brush wet no matter what. I feel like I'm gonna use the shade Blueberry Fizz to blend this harsh corners out just to see how it looks like. Such beautiful shades, you guys. I'm in love. Such a beautiful palette. And then just to darken everything up right here in the outer corners, I'm gonna get the shade Shy Tea. I don't know, you guys already know I can barely pronounce things right, so sorry about that. And I'm using a Morphe M321 brush to apply that in those outer corners. Another pigmented shade, you guys. What's new? Alright, you guys, so once we have that done, I'm honestly really loving this makeup. It's something new for me and something new for you guys to see as well. I'm gonna do the same what I did to this eye, to this other eye, and apply some lashes, and then I should be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. Today I went with the style Miami by Lilly Lashes, but not the regular Miami's, not the $30 ones. I went with the Sephora collection ones. I think they still sell them, I'm not sure though. But yeah, you guys, I really like how my makeup is turning to look like so far. I also went ahead and added some foundation. I used the Colourpop No Filter foundation. If you guys haven't seen my review on this foundation, I'll have it right here for you guys. This time I went in with another primer because last time it was extremely oily, and like I said, this is a beautiful foundation but not to wear for a long time, and I already know I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for a long time, which is why I decided to go with this one. But I went ahead and used the No Poreblem primer with it, and let's see how it goes. So far it looks dewy but not too dewy. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and the cupid's bow. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my Real Technique Beauty Sponge. For under my eyes, I'm gonna grab my beautiful Lemonade palette and grab the shade Nude Tea and set under my eyes. I think that's what she said. I don't know if she said to set under your eyes with it or you can brighten with it. I'm not sure. We're gonna do one eye and see what happens. And the pans are large enough to fit a brush like this, so that's pretty good. And set under my eyes. Oh, that's actually nice. I'm pretty much gonna set with the shade Nude Tea everywhere I put concealer. And it's a really pretty peach shade. And it's definitely set, so I really like that. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Medium. I don't know if you guys saw on Trend Moon's Instagram page, Huda Beauty. Yeah, Huda Beauty is coming out with a full filter powder, I think, or some baking powder. I'm super excited to try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do a video about those powders, because if you guys do not know, my favorite foundation is the Full Filter by Huda Beauty, so I'm so excited to try her powders out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. And I'm using my Sigma Spotlight Duster F37 brush. You guys can go ahead and use my code Taisha for some money off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some number 7 powder. This is in the shade Translucent. I saw Juicy Jazz on YouTube. In case you guys don't know her, go follow her. She's amazing. She loves this powder, so I went ahead and bought it, and it's pretty amazing. I've been loving to use this powder to pretty much clean up my contour. It's amazing for that. So I'm pretty much gonna let this bake for a couple of minutes, like probably 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna really quickly contour my nose, and then I should be right back. So I went ahead and contoured my nose and added some highlight to it. My favorite nose highlight ever is the Anastasia x Amrezy Highlighter. This highlighter, if you don't have it, please go buy it. You will not regret it, you guys. This highlighter is amazing. But for the rest of my face, I want to use the Lemonade palette to highlight as well, because Kristen did that in her video, so I'm going to do it as well. She's absolutely gorgeous, by the way, you guys. She's like probably one of the most prettiest girls I ever seen. Like, she is beautiful. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get my Lemonade palette, and let's see, I'm going to use the shade Peach to highlight my face. And I'm just gonna be taking a AOA Studio F19 brush. This is amazing for highlighting your face, and it's only $1, so go get this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. And this palette is pretty amazing because the eyeshadow pans are huge, you guys. It fits like regular face brushes, so you're getting a lot for your money. This is a pretty color. Oh wow, you guys, this highlighter or this eyeshadow is such a beautiful highlighter. I feel like I already know how I feel about this palette, you guys. This is a pretty good palette so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm pretty much gonna do what I did to the top to the bottom, so let me do that really quick. And then after I'm done using Sweet Tea and Mango, I'm gonna go ahead and take Blueberry Fizz and use my Morphe M432 brush and just pretty much pack it in the lower lash line, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using my Lore'l Telescopic mascara. This is like an original mascara. I feel like almost everybody has tried this mascara. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a small little brush just like this, and I'm gonna take the shade Lemon Soda. I just have to use this shade, you guys, especially because it's called the Lemonade palette. So let's pop this in the inner corner. Oop, I applied this on my skin. And this is so pigmented as well. Wow, and this is without my brush being wet. Wow, you guys, that's such a beautiful yellow shade. Wow. Let me just go ahead and finish up my lips, and then I should give you guys my final opinion on this palette. Alright you guys, so my makeup is finally done and I'm honestly so in love with everything, especially this highlight. You guys, can you guys see it? It looks so pretty and it does not emphasize my texture, which is amazing. So overall you guys, I feel like you already know my opinion on this palette. It's amazing. If you're looking for a perfect summer palette, this is it you guys. It has such a beautiful packaging. You can tell she really went into detail with everything in this palette. It has 10 beautiful eyeshadow shades, a big mirror, the names on the bottom. It's just a perfect palette to even travel with if you're having any vacation, or if you're just like me and at home and you still want a summer palette. This is it you guys. It's such an amazing palette. Everything blends out amazing in the eyes. As you guys can see, this yellow shade, I'm so in love with it. And also this one, I just love the whole idea of this palette. I also love how this one's called strawberry, because like I said, I love strawberry lemonade. So overall you guys, I definitely recommend everybody to buy this palette. It's not only good as an eyeshadow but also as a highlight, as I showed you guys, and as well to set under your eyes to brighten up that area. Pretty much all my review for this palette. Honestly, I like it, definitely recommend it. If you guys do end up buying it, let me know what your experience is like with this palette. But yeah you guys, it's pretty much all for this video. Thank you all so much for taking time of your day to watch this video and have some beauty talk with me. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like to see from me next. But like I said, I hope you all are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and I shall see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.